You might not be unproductive, you might simply be burnt out. And as someone who's been burnt out before, I know how bad it is and how it makes you feel in terms of productivity and efficiency in your work. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18. I turned lazy people productive using tactical techniques and strategies that changed my life forever. I went from this gamer who spent 5,000 hours of his life, 210 days straight, playing Call of Duty and other such video games, and now I effortlessly and easily breeze through large banks of my work for my business, education and personal development goals. A lot of it due to this. So your ability to manage work without burning out is highly correlated to how productive you can be, because if you're constantly in a cycle phase of burnout, coming back to actuality, coming back to reality, getting productive work done and then burning out again, and just keeping this cycle active is not good for you, your mental health, all the work you're getting done. The quality will drop, the efficiency will drop, and you'll end up in ruts of procrastination because you're too overloaded to complete it. So the actionable step I'm going to teach you in this video is all to do with timing everything you do. So you have a day plan, whether you're using tools such as this, the newest product I've created to help people like you become productive, using the strategies of day planning that I use on a day-to-day basis. The link is in the description, no obligation, but you have a day plan and you're planning exactly what you need to do. How do you know your threshold of how much work you can complete? It's arbitrary unless you have metrics and meticulous data to analyze and figure out the actual answer. So the only way you're going to do this is by recording how long things take. So on a day-to-day basis, what task are you completing and how long do the tasks take, so you know whether you're overloading yourself or whether you have more room to implement more stuff, potentially improving your productivity day to day. So for me, I will make a thumbnail, I'll sit down at my desk, I will make a thumbnail and I'll record exactly how long it took. It took me 32 minutes last time I made a thumbnail. So now I have this bank of data of 32 minutes to make a thumbnail. So when I'm planning the day forthcoming, when I put make thumbnail, I know that's going to take 32 minutes. It means I have a decent chunk of time left to get productive work done. The same goes with recording videos, the same goes with business tasks, the same goes with potentially revision you have to do day to day. As long as you know how long it takes, then you'll be able to implement and not overwhelm yourself with work, which will lead you to burning out. Burnout is caused by simply being overworked, and if you limit the amount of overworking you do by having meticulous banks of data that you can analyze autistically and make sure you're allocating enough time for you to do the work. Because for example, if you only have 4 realistic hours of productive time to get work done, and you're setting yourself 6 hours worth of tasks, then you're completely screwing yourself over. You're setting yourself up for failure. You're setting yourself up for this overwhelm, for this distress, for this burnout, which will make you unproductive. So record how long the tasks take. Be meticulous, be autistic, be consistent, so you have a large array of data to look at to see maybe this session of thumbnail making or thumbnail design may take 32 minutes, the other one took 42, so you have a 10-minute disparity between the two. Once you have so much data, once you have 2, 3, 4 weeks worth of data, even months on end, you'll be able to plan your days so efficiently that you will never burn out again. You'll never be overwhelmed, overworked and overstressed from the work you're setting yourself, because in this world of business, entrepreneurship and self-employment, in a sense, you are your own boss. And if you overwork yourself, if you set yourself too many tasks that are unrealistic to complete, then you will burn out and you'll be stuck in this rut of procrastination and, quite frank, depression a lot of people find with burnout. So the actionable step of this video is record how long you take a task. So today I'm recording how long it takes to take this video. I'm recording how long it takes to make a thumbnail. I'm recording how long it takes to edit a video. I'm recording how long it takes to plan and script the next YouTube video and implement the tags and YouTube optimization strategies. I'm going to record every single bank of work I have to do, whether it be product work, service-based work, or the YouTube work and the content creation I have to do. I'm going to record how long it takes to do it all. And then I know, using that analytic bank of data, what to set myself to do tomorrow to avoid burning out. Because if it takes 4 hours and I have 4 hours of spare time tomorrow to get this productive work done, I know it will fit. If I only have 3 hours tomorrow, I need to shave something down to avoid burnout. If you're oversetting tasks on your to-do list, then you are going to burn out. And I hope it doesn't happen to you. I hope this video helps you. And if you're looking to get this new day planner, it's a habit tracker day planner journal notepad. It has everything you need. It's got habit tracking pages, day planning pages, and it's going to be your one-stop shop to productivity. The links in the description will take you there, take you to my store where you can purchase one. There's only 50 copies and I've currently sold about 8, so they are going. Get there if you want one. And if you're looking to get more help from me personally, the top link in the description will take you to a one-to-one meeting page where I can help you become productive using the same tactical techniques and strategies that have changed my life and they've helped thousands of people across the world. I hope to help you help yourself. Thank you for watching.